Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegetable soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a variety of fresh vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and spinach, along with aromatics like ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Don't forget your key spices, including turmeric, coriander, and garam masala, plus cooking oil, water, and salt. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time for preparation. Thoroughly wash all your vegetables and chop them into small, uniform pieces for even cooking. Finally, mince your ginger, garlic, and green chilies to release their full flavor. Keeping all your prepped ingredients organized and within reach will make the cooking process much more efficient and enjoyable. Let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the minced ginger, garlic, and green chilies, sautéing them for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, add your chopped vegetables and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, stir in your spices and 4 cups of water, bringing the mixture to a simmer for 15 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Your vegetable soup is almost ready. Taste and adjust the salt as needed to perfect the flavor. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a burst of color and aroma. Serve your hot, homemade vegetable soup immediately to enjoy its comforting warmth and rich flavors. This nutritious and delicious meal is perfect for any day, offering a wholesome and satisfying experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.